Hi, I'm 22 years old, diagnosed with type 1 diabetes at the age of 9, living in India. And trust me, it's not what you think. From workouts to food, from myths to reality, this is my story. Hi, I'm Akshata. I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes at the age of 9. So, if you're someone who's diagnosed with diabetes type 1 or type 2, or if you know someone who has diabetes, or if you just want to learn about living a healthy lifestyle, then this channel and this video is for you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the reason why I've started this YouTube journey. At the end of the video, you will know why. So, first up, we have how and when I was diagnosed. I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes at the age of 9. I didn't even know what diabetes was, I didn't even know what was happening. I was constantly tired, constantly thirsty. I was losing weight a lot. My parents and I thought it was just temporary illness until the doctor said that I'm diagnosed with type 1 diabetes and our whole world changed. Whenever I used to go to birthday parties, I used to leave early and go home and let my mom give me a shot of insulin because I was just 9. I couldn't inject myself. So my parents, my brother used to help me do it. My mom used to accompany me to school picnics and other students used to be like, what's wrong with her, school picnics पे मम्मी को कौन साथ में लाता है. Then I thought, will I ever be able to live a normal life? And I used to have this constant thought कि मुझे ही क्यों हुआ. I mean, there are so many kids and मुझे ही क्यों, why me? But over time I realized that diabetes does not control my life. I control diabetes. Myths. One of the biggest myths in India is that diabetes only happens to those people who eat a lot of sugar. That's false. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition. It wasn't because of my diet or lifestyle, it just happened. My pancreas at one point of my life just gave up. It's like मैं और insulin produce नहीं कर सकता. That is type 1 diabetes. That happened to me. There are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is caused by an autoimmune reaction where at one point the pancreas stops producing insulin at all. So basically, pancreas are dead. But in type 2, pancreas produces a little insulin or the body becomes resistant to the insulin produced by the pancreas. Type 1 is not genetic and it cannot be prevented, whereas in type 2, it can happen to anyone with family history, obesity, or unhealthy lifestyle. Unlike type 1, it can be prevented by eating healthy food, exercising regularly, losing that excess weight. Coming to how I manage it. As a kid, I've always loved playing. I mean, कौन से बच्चे को खेलना नहीं पसंद था. But then later, I had a reason, I had a motive to be physically active. Because with diabetes, exercising regularly is not a choice or it's not an option, it's a necessity. So since bachpan se, I've been into different sports. Badminton, football, basketball, baseball, you name it, and I must have played it. And I didn't realize something that started as a must do became a can't live without. And before I knew it, fitness wasn't just a routine anymore, it was my entire lifestyle. And since I was diagnosed at the age of 9, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, those aerated drinks, pizza, burgers, junk food, ये सब कभी पिक्चर में आया ही नहीं because मुझे अलाउड ही नहीं था. कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट शुगर्स का तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता था. आई हैड अ डाइटिशियन एट द एज ऑफ 9. आई यूज टू कस डायबिटीज सो मच ग्रोइंग अप कि मुझे ही क्यों होना था, इतने बच्चे थे, वाई मी अगेन. I used to have that thought every day after waking up because ना कुछ खाना allowed था. I had to exercise regularly every day, even though I wasn't in the mood to go out and play. So basically, my life was gym, exercises plus ghas foos. And you know what's funny? Now this gym ghas foos that I used to cuss a lot in my childhood became my whole lifestyle now. And I'm very much thankful कि मुझे diabetes हुआ. I know it sounds very weird, very strange, but yes, I'm very thankful कि I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes because it made me disciplined, it made me focused, and it gave me this sorted mindset in a world full of unhealthy food, junk, and so much distraction. So, yeah, plot twist, I don't hate it anymore. Even after eating ghar ka khana, hitting the gym regularly, my sugar levels still have a mind of their own. Kabhi stress, kabhi periods, kabhi sleep, everything affects my sugar level. So it's not just exercise or food that affects my sugar levels. There are a lot of other things. The climate, if during winters my sugar levels just spike and during summer it just drops. So yeah, there are various reasons my sugar levels fluctuate, and I'm literally stuffing my mouth with sugar products when my sugar level drops and have to sit like a statue for 20 minutes, and I have to drink a lot of water when my sugar level spikes to flush out that excess glucose from my system. It's been 12 years and I'm still figuring it out. The 9-year-old Akshata thought it was the end of the world, but spoiler alert, it's not. It all depends on how you perceive it. So, whatever it is you're going through life right now, just remember that you're stronger than you think you are. And life is never about what happens to you, but how you choose to handle it. I still work out. I still have multiple hobbies. I've always been this all rounder student. And yes, I live a normal life without anyone knowing that I have diabetes. That because this video is gonna come out as a shock to a lot of people because I have been very secretive about this, and only my closest friends know that I'm diagnosed with type 1 diabetes because I don't want people to treat me differently or to see me in a very different way. So yeah, I've lived a normal life. I still live a normal life and I will continue to live a normal life without anyone knowing. And I'm making these videos and I will continue to make such videos about diabetes and fitness and diet because growing up, people have come up to me and asked me क्या तुम्हें diabetes इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि तुम बहुत sugar खाते थे? Or people have said that you can't run a workout because you have diabetes, or I don't look like someone who has diabetes. In fact, this one guy in my childhood came up to me and said कि diabetes छूने से फैलता है, which made me realize that people in India are so least aware about diabetes. And also the fact that growing up, when I was diagnosed with diabetes, growing up I had a lot of questions and very few answers. I thought I was the only one, struggling with this, until few years ago when I realized that, oh, there's a diabetes community on internet, and various celebrities are diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. So it's not just me, and most of the people that I follow are not from India. So very few people from India are making such content on diabetes, on fitness slash diabetes slash diet. And made me realize that maybe, I should take this initiative because again, growing up, I did not have anyone that I could look up to, but I'm gonna be the one people from India can look up to now and can relate and be like, oh, which भी diabetes hai. I want to share my experiences with others, how I manage diabetes, my fitness journey, what I eat, and how I manage diabetes without it stopping me from living a normal life. And sorry if I couldn't cover all the topics in this video because ये video थोड़ा सा लंबा हो रहा है. So, but don't worry, I'll be making now from now on, I'll be making a lot of content on diabetes, fitness, and diet. So, if you're diabetic or you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, so please DM me on Instagram. I have attached my Instagram link below. So, share this video with someone you know who has diabetes and let them know that they are not alone on this journey. Show some love, and I will see you in my next video. Thought that it was the end of the world, but spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler.
Look in my eyes and my eyes are set. Lost की समझ दिए